Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, I'm looking at the case at the half moon. There is some marks here, so whether a screw has come out and drag on there. It's quite flat on the bottom, so I think it's almost been sitting on the bottom of the sump, or maybe even this drain plug. Or yeah, so you can see there's a half circle there. I think it's been sitting on that drain plug for a while. And on this side, it's got quite a big chamfer worn away. Don't know how easy it's been picked up. There's a piece taken out there. It doesn't appear broken anywhere. Oh, and that top edge has a good chamfer on it too. So I'm thinking, looking at that, maybe the front's come out first, just drop down, and then that's been just touching the cogs and worn away that edge slightly. And then once one had come out, that maybe more vibrations has enabled the rest to come until it's dropped completely. I assume that's why it's made of plastic, not metal.